Congratulations, Mr. Soundaraja.
Hey, I'm Raj. Welcome to my lovely home. The theme of my home is modern minimalistic. I got the idea from Renopedia. I came to know about Renopedia through Facebook. Then I got the idea from there, how to renovate my home. Favorite part is our kitchen. It's a very lovely kitchen. Me and my wife spend a lot of time there. We don't have any plans yet. Maybe I'll save it for my future renovation. You guys can get a lot of inspiration and ideas through Renopedia. Then you can stand a chance to win a lucky draw like myself. Thank you, Renopedia. Thank you, Renopedia.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.